The Scottish Fire and Rescue Service and East Renfrewshire Council, working in partnership, have developed Take 5, which aims to reduce the number of false fire alarms. Did you know that 98% of all automated fire alarm calls are unwanted fire alarm call incidents? You can prevent this by following a few simple steps during your working day to Take 5. What is Take 5? Well, Take 5 is 5 common issues that cause automated fire alarm calls. These 5 issues are testing, aerosols, knowledge, equipment, and 5, which we'd also think is time. First on the list is testing. Could the fire alarm system be accidentally set off? Contact the fire alarm call centre and ensure the systems are offline. Record in the fire alarm logbook that the system is offline before testing. Ensure all system faults are reported to the maintenance officer immediately. Next is aerosols. Is there a smoke detector nearby which could be accidentally set off? Use aerosols such as deodorant, hairspray and cleaning products sparingly. Is there an aerosol substitute available? Keep area well ventilated. With knowledge, have you completed your fire awareness training? Know your fire alarm and evacuation procedure. Know where your fire alarm panel is located and who is responsible to operate it. Know if your system detects smoke, fire or heat. When thinking about equipment, are you testing, moving items or working near fire alarm detectors? Consider local isolation of area for maintenance or contractor work. Consider local isolation of area for cleaning purposes involving steam or fumes. Avoid accidental contact with break glass call points. And finally 5 seconds, 5 minutes, it doesn't matter. Think about your actions. Could they activate the fire alarm system? Think about false alarm consequences on production, customers and staff. Each false alarm call puts your community at risk. Each false alarm costs the Scottish Fire and Rescue Service and East Renfrewshire Council £2,900. By following Take 5, you can help reduce unwanted fire alarm calls, ensuring that the fire service are available for genuine calls, keeping you and the public safe. For more information, speak to your line manager or visit firescotland.gov.uk.